Hopefully, yung buo no, yung Cebu, target natin in 2 years, maging maganda na yung Cebu Service Delivery Network. Yung Bohol kasi, I also sponsored that when I was chairman committee net, yung Gallares Hospital, sobrang laki na nun. I think pag nakita nyo, it's a good specialty center, baka 2 billion na yata yun. Through the years, 10 years, I also sponsored that. So hopefully yung Visoto, through the years, sponsor din natin. I defended it ngayon. Gusto natin yung provincial and city. So I'll be meeting Mayor Archibald this morning after our meet with the press. Visit kami. Dapat courtesy ko lang ako sa City Hall. Sabi ko, I would want to see the hospital instead para at least pag budget season na magkaka-report ako, ma-justify ko kasi nakita ko lahat with my own eyes, no, na hindi tayo nag-rely sa report. So I was told na para ding yung Cebu Medical is already 10 years in the making. So hopefully matapos na natin to, no? Sana. So we'll do our best, no? Pati yung Davao, pati yung Danao, and yung Lanilla, yung gusto naman ni Gopang. So I'm very happy kasi the first time I met them, yung na-discuss namin healthcare na talaga, nag-jive doon sa natin, sa pet program.